In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how you can fix app not installed on Android Minecraft Happy Mode. So let's get started. So we're going to look at various fixes, and the first one we have is to check device compatibility. So check device compatibility. Alright, perfect. So ensure your Android device meets the minimum system requirements for Minecraft Happy Mode. This includes having enough storage space and a compatible operating system version. The next one we have is verify App Store listing. Verify App Store listing. So double check the app listing on the Happy Mode store or website. Make sure the app is still available for download and compatible with your device. The next one, which often clears up this error, is clear app cache and data. Clear app cache and data. So go to your device's settings, find the app section, select Minecraft Happy Mode, and clear its cache and data. This can sometimes resolve installation issues. You could also try restarting your device. Restarting your device. So after clearing the cache and data, restart your Android device. This can help refresh the system and resolve any temporary glitches. You could also try disabling antivirus or security softwares. Disable antivirus slash security softwares. Alright, so temporarily disable your antivirus or security software. Sometimes these programs can interfere with app installation. You could also try updating your device if it's not up to date. Update your device. So ensure your Android device is running the latest operating system version, because updates often include bug fixes and improvements that can resolve installation issues. And lastly, if none of the above solutions work, reach out to Happy Mode support team for further assistance. They may be able to provide specific troubleshooting steps or identify the underlying cause of the installation error. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.